So I'm going to do what I can to break this down within the 3 minutes that I have. But before I get into the process of how I do things and how I get things done quickly, I want to share a little something. I like to be as transparent as possible. So this week I got my first check from them from the work that I completed. Now with this company, you get a bonus if you complete your work within a specific time frame that they particularly have, that they think that a job should take you. But if you get it done in under that time, you get money bonus. I can't really go into detail on how they break that down because I'm not sure. But last week I got a $70 bonus because I was under the time frame that they stated for my jobs that I completed. Now, with that being said, you said you did an interior, exterior, and a sketch, and it took you 2 hours, and that was including desk work. I can only assume that you were having problems with the sketching part of it and not the interior and exterior photo taking, because the sketch part is the learning curve. When you go in and do the interior and exterior pictures, all you're simply doing is taking the required photos. So that shouldn't take you any time at all. Now, if I'm wrong, please forgive me, please correct me. But in this video, I'm going to focus on the sketching part. So what I would normally do, that if I have an order that I know I've got to go do, and I know it's a sketch to it, I will check the tax assessor website and check their sketch. Now, I'm not advising you to do any of these things, but sometimes what I do is I will go to the tax assessor for that particular property, grab the sketch if it's available, and pre-sketch my drawing. When I get to the property, if there's something different, then I go back and make my corrections on my drawing. Or while you're on site, don't waste time with, actually putting a sketch into your app or whatever. You can simply measure the property and write down your distances and then upload the sketch later or draw the sketch later. So let's say I go to a property, it's an interior, exterior plus a sketch. I will quickly measure the property, write down the distances, and do a rough sketch. And then, either after I'm done or once I get home, then I will draw my sketch. But most times, I like to go to the tax assessor website because they usually already have a sketch available for you to basically copy. When it's all said and done, the best that I can say is, do your research on the property before you actually go to the property so that you can have an idea of what you're looking at when you go. I don't like to spend a lot of time at a property, so the most time that I spend at a property is probably 15 to 20 minutes. Gotta find a method that works for you.